Hi everybody, İradə here. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is our vocabulary lesson 2 today. So thinking about the topic for my today's class, I decided to pick up one of the most burning issues in the world today, which is COVID-19, or as we know it, coronavirus. Coronavirus has changed lives, economies, and the healthcare systems as we know it. On March 11th, the World Health Organization classified COVID-19 as a pandemic. The respiratory virus that originated in China has infected hundreds of thousands of people worldwide and killed thousands. So, since that classification, all the countries in the world have been taking drastic measures to attempt to slow the spread of the virus. From sheltering in place to travel restrictions to full border closures, the global pandemic has affected almost all aspects of our life. News and information about the disease are constantly evolving, and most of us may not necessarily be familiar with some of the medical and technical terms that are often mentioned. So I've defined some of the most useful phrases and words as they relate to the coronavirus. Word number 1 for today is zoonotic. Animals can sometimes carry harmful germs that can spread to people and cause illness. COVID-19 is a zoonotic virus. Word number 2 for today is a symptom. A symptom is a physical or mental feature which is regarded as indicating a condition of a disease. Word number 3 is asymptomatic. Asymptomatic means showing no evidence of a disease or simply having no symptoms. Word number 4, communicable. Communicable means something that can be easily spread or transmitted from one to another. COVID-19 is a communicable disease. Phrase number 5 is community spread. Community spread means that some people have been infected and it is not known how or where they became exposed. Word number 6, epidemic. Epidemic is a large number of cases of a particular disease happening at the same time in a particular community. Word number 7, pandemic. Different from epidemic, pandemic is the outbreak of a disease in the whole country or throughout the world. Phrase number 8, incubation period. Incubation period is the time between infection and the appearance of the first symptoms. Currently, the incubation period for coronavirus is estimated to be somewhere between 2 to 14 days after the exposure to the virus. Phrase number 9 is one of my favorites. It's panic buying. Panic buying has been arrived amid the spread of coronavirus, with consumers around the world stockpiling such goods as hand sanitizer, canned food, and toilet paper, resulting in empty shelves and both supply and demand shocks. Word number 10, lockdown. A lockdown is an official order to control the movement of people and vehicles because of a dangerous situation. People still can leave their homes to go to essential places like gas stations, grocery stores, and pharmacies. Some states are instituting curfews. Word number 11, a curfew. Curfew is an official law which says that people cannot leave their homes after a particular time in the evening till the morning. Word number 12, isolation. Isolation separates sick people with a contagious disease from those who are not sick. Isolation can take place at home, at a hospital, or any other care facility. Phrase number 13, social distancing. Social distancing is the practice of reducing the close contact between people in order to slow the spread of the virus. Social distancing measures include limiting large groups of people coming together, closing buildings, switching to online classes, and working from home. Word number 14, immunity. Immunity is body's ability to avoid or not be affected by a disease or infection. If you are immune to something, it means you can be exposed to it without being affected. Currently, humans have no immunity to COVID-19. And the last phrase for today, number 15, is mitigation strategies. Mitigation strategies mean preparations that a community can take in order to reduce the spread of the virus and protect high-risk individuals and important infrastructure like hospitals.
WLC, building a career path.